Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about a very important homeopathic German drug for your sciatica problem. So, if you are suffering from sciatica pain, are you a chronic sufferer of sciatica, you have problem of backache, lower backache, and you have the numbness on your feet and current like pain on your feet, that this video is going to be very useful and informative for you, because today I will tell you about a very important, a very effective homeopathic German drug for your sciatica problem. So in this video, I will tell you about what are the composition of this medicine, what are the uses of this medicine, what are the benefit of this medicine, and what are the doses. The video is very informative. Watch till then. Stay with me. Let's get started. About the homeopathic medicine for your sciatica problem. But before starting the video, let's discuss about what is the sciatica. Basically, the sciatica is a very painful condition. The sciatic is a nerve which is found in our body. It is the thickest and the longest nerve of our body. It starts from your lower back and runs down the from hips to thigh to your leg to your feet. And basically there are two types of sciatic nerve is found in our body: right sciatic nerve and left sciatic nerve. When there is a compression or irritation occur in the sciatic nerve, then this cause the very current like pain, which is called as the sciatica. Let's talk about what are the causes behind the sciatica. Basically there are 3 to 4 causes reason behind the sciatica. First is that when there is a herniation of your disc. Our spine is made up of bones, that is called the vertebrae. Each vertebrae is stacked two over each other, and in between these vertebrae there the disc like structure is found, which support our vertebrae and act like a cushion like and give the support and act as a shock absorber. But due to the certain condition, when these disc bulges out or disc herniate, and this herniated disc compress the sciatic nerve, which can lead to the sciatica. And second is that when there is a dehydration of the disc occur, this may lead to the sciatica. And the third reason is that when there is the spinal stenosis. The spinal stenosis is the condition when there is a diameter of the your vertebrae canal decreases. It occurs due to the advancing age also. In this condition, the sciatica can occur. And then the next reason is that when there is a history of injury at your lower back or at your back. So in this condition, sciatica can occur. So these are the reasons behind the sciatica. Let's talk about what is the symptoms of the sciatica. Current like pain, or the pain starts from your lower back and runs down the your from hips to the thighs to the legs and running down to the heels. Pain is like that of the current like electric current like pain, very sharp shooting pain, lancinating type of pain. With pain there is numbness also at your feet, and also there will be the tingling and crawling sensation at your feet, and also there is a weakness on your legs. And when you start sitting up from your chair, you may feel the jerky pain at your back. And also prolonged standing and prolonged sitting can cause aggravate the sciatic pain. So friends, these were the symptoms of the sciatica. Let's talk about the homeopathic medicine to cure your sciatica permanently. Today I will tell you a very effective homeopathic German drug which is specific for your sciatica pain. The name of the medicine will be the Adel drop number 32, which is known as the sciatica drop. Basically it is a very excellent or effective medicine for curing your sciatica problem. Let's talk about it. Basically it is a German homeopathic drop which is made from the Adel Pharma. It is available at the price of rupees 270 rupees for the 30 ml of packaging. And let's talk about what are the composition of the medicine. There's a 3 to 5 medicines are the added. The first medicine in the composition is that the arnica. Basically arnica is a very important or effective medicine for nerve pain, especially if you have the current electric like pain. In this condition, arnica works very well, and also arnica improve our blood circulation of the nerves, and also it is very good result. It gives very good result when there is a history of injury. When you got sciatica after when you got injury at your back or to your lower back, in this condition arnica gives the excellent result. And the second medicine in this composition is that the brania. In a homeopathy, brania is used as a painkiller, and it has a very excellent result on the sciatica, especially if you have the least motion aggravation. Slightest motion may aggravate your sciatica pain. In this condition, the brania is the best medicine to cure the sciatica. And the third medicine in the combination is that the Rustox. Rustox is also a very important homeopathic medicine. It is also used as a painkiller, and it can cure your sciatica, especially when your problems aggravate during rainy season, and when prolonged walking and continued walking gives relief to your sciatica pain. In this condition, Rustox work very well. And the fourth medicine in this composition is added, that is the colchicum. Colchicum is indicated when there is the rheumatism plus sciatica pain is involved. When there is the with the sciatica pain, when you have the history of joint pain or history of gout or history of rheumatism, in this condition colchicum acts very well. After that, the next medicine is the Nephallium. Nephallium is also very important homeopathic medicine. It is indicated when there is a electric current, severe current pain at your legs, at your back, and also there is a numbness on the affected part. In this condition, Nephallium act very well. After that, the next medicine in this composition is the Dulcamara. Dulcamara is also very effective homeopathic medicine curing for your sciatica pain, especially if you have winter aggravation. Your problem aggravate during winter or during the rainy season. In this condition, Dulcamara act very well. So friends, these are the some homeopathic medicine which are added in the adult drop number 32. All these medicine are the specific medicine for your sciatica and have the excellent result for curing your sciatica problems. So let's talk about what are the doses of the medicine. You have to take the 20 drops in 1/4 cup of water. Take this medicine thrice in a day for 3 to 4 months, or you can take this medicine for 1 year also. You can take this medicine along with your internal homeopathic medicine. Definitely you will get very good result. So friends, this was the discussion about the German homeopathic drop for sciatica problem. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.